Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the first video of hopefully a long series of videos. The videos are going to be based on developing my game Eternal Erosion. There's a lot to it, so I'll show you, what I have so far. So this is the starting screen, and obviously everything is subject to change. It's still very early in development. I've been working on it for about 6 months now. So the load options and exit doesn't work right now, but if we hit play button, so this is the basic character creation screen. There's not really much here, but I disabled the female character because right now there's only the male barbarian. So if we click it, the continue button's clickable. And this is how the game starts. So the game runs on a system of this Fountain of Life right here. And basically the Fountain of Life works by when you donate items to it, when the progression bar goes fully up. So here, I'll go get an item over here so I can show you. So if I add one, left click for one, right click for all, you can see that the bar goes up. So if I hit give, I got 12 points and the green bar went up. So when the bar is full, basically what's going to happen is the grass is going to grow out in a randomized area. And so the goal of the game is to basically spread the grass and grow the Fountain of Life. The Fountain of Life will also, when progression does happen and you do a full green bar, it's going to unlock new content, and because it's a survival game as well, the player gets attacked every night by monsters. There's going to be probably a 3-day grace period when you first start the game before you get attacked, and then I'll show you over here. This is one of the monsters I'm working on. So you'll notice down here, far, there it is, there's going to be holes. And so holes will not start in the game like this, but they will pop up, and monsters will crawl out of there at night and attack your base. And the goal that they're going to be going for is the Fountain of Life, because basically the story of the game is that monsters like demons and everything are constantly attacking life because they're just trying to eliminate life on Earth. And this is one of the last defenses left of life trying to fight against basically death. And that's where I came out with the name of Eternal Erosion, because it's like an eternal fight between life and death, basically. And so that's how it goes. Here's the skills right here. So we have fishing, woodcutting, and all that, and on the right is just weapon levels. So as you use, like, for example, a sword, it will, when you get kills with it, it will progress your sword expertise. And then I'll show you some of the skills I have right now. So if I hit the tree, you'll notice that a log will fall out. And that's how I made the logs drop. Instead of it dropping all at the end, you get a couple of the logs every couple of hits. And then when the tree falls, you get woodcutting experience, and the stump is left. So if I were to left click the stump, you can see that I'm damaging it, and then the stump will always drop, I believe, one log. So that's the logs I have down here. So if I come over here now, you can see, I'll show you mining. So if I were to just come up and hit the, I gotta fix the hitbox, so there we go. So if you hit the rock, so there we go, we got our rocks and everything, and you'll notice I got mining experience, and I'll show you the last skill that I've been working on, which is the fishing skill. So if I do a good cast, when it shakes, you have to left click, and then you go through this little mini game. So you basically left click every time it hits the center. So the little square in the middle is going to get bigger the higher fishing level you are. and the bar will go back and forth the harder the fish is to catch. So you notice I caught a fish, I got fishing experience. Also, if I try to throw the bobber on land, it will bounce back. You know, it goes in all directions. I mean, the artwork can be improved, but the core is there, the core code. Oh, that's a clipping bug. So if I open this, you know, like I said in the Fountain of Life, when you left click, you do one. If you right click, you do the other one. The dragging to move inventory spaces is disabled. You can do it in the inventory itself, or on the chest, but to be able to move items in the inventory, you have to just have the inventory open. So then we also have farming, which I forgot about. The skill is not fully implemented. Oh, that's another bug. I know how to fix that bug, I just haven't gotten to it. So basically, you're gonna have to require tilled soil, which is from the hoe, but I haven't coded the hoe yet. As funny as that sounds. It's going to be where you can only place a seed on tilled soil, which can only be done on grass, because I forgot to mention earlier, but grass basically, the player can only build and like plant crops and all that kind of stuff on grass, and that's why you'll notice that the trees only go on there and rocks spawned on the dirt. So because the demons are attacking all life, all the areas which they've destroyed is basically just this dirt that has no life in it at all, so nothing can grow. And so yeah. So anyways, this would be on tilled soil, so if I left click, you can see that it works. It won't let you place it on, even though you can walk over it. And then when the farming skill is more fleshed out, the crops will grow. I already have all the growth stages of all my crops done. And the plant will turn a darker color, which the player can just water it like that. That is the tricky part about doing a game like this, is every animation you have to do in all 4 directions, which is a bit of a pain, but I feel like that's everything I got. So if you look on the way the menu system works in my game is the only menus that will be in the middle are object menus like this, so you'll notice that the mouse turns into a hand when you hover over, and it will close when you right click. The red dot is just for testing. So anytime you open an object, it will be in the middle, and if you open up a storage container like a chest, it will automatically open up the inventory. So yeah, if you can have the inventory and equipment open, skills and equipment, and then this will be your spells tree. So like there's gonna be 3 classes currently, but when the game does release, the only playable class at the start will be the barbarian, which is what I'm working on now. And so this book will be basically your skill tree for the character, and the options over there. So the game is going to have a combo system, which the code is already there for it. But basically, when you left click a second time, or even a third time, if you do it quick enough after a previous attack, it will continue the combo. I feel like that's everything. Thanks for watching my first video on my YouTube channel. I'm hoping this game becomes very, I hope it becomes good. Like, I'm really excited to see where this game goes. I appreciate all feedback, and thank you for watching. Bye.